Hey guys, this is my flat tour. Welcome. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. I have two Instagram accounts. One is the same name as it's spelled here, which is like fashion and kind of travel and lifestyle, and the other one is specifically to do with home, which is home in a studio, which I'll link both of those below for you to click on and check out. I'll be really grateful. But today is my flat tour, and just to like preface it, whatever the word is, I live in a studio flat, so there's no separate bedroom. You can see the bed behind me, but there is a separate kitchen, so I'm lucky to have that. I have bought this flat, so I own it. I have a mortgage on it. I'm on the first floor. There is someone below me, but no one above me. I have a loft space above me as well. There is one flat to the side where the kitchen is, one to that side, but that one is just, that wall goes onto a communal area. So yeah, let's get on with the tour. So we'll start from the beginning. So this is the door as you come in. There is the fuse box and stuff up there. Door into this small hallway. So when you open the door, it comes into a small little hallway. If I move back, you can kind of see that is the extent of the hallway. And then you turn, so when you come in, this is me coming in, that's what you see. You move into here, is the bathroom. So this is my bathroom. My camera does not go any wider, so that's why you're just going to have to see it. That's it really. There's a shower in here, there we go. And there's a bath tub there, towel with towels on, toilet, sink, mirror, and I actually keep my like laundry bag there as well. But so the one, and I brought this to go under the thing from B&M, that little thing which holds towels from Argos, this which should have those toilet papers in the thing from the range, that from Argos. One thing is it doesn't have a shelf like a below the mirror or anything, and there's these slope, so it's really annoying. So I've just added this box on top of my toilet, which is really hygienic, where I put stuff in. But yeah, that is the bathroom. So please don't mind the mess. There is a little bit of mess, but we are now back into the hallway from the bathroom. A little clothes thing there, which I just got two coats on, which got wet the other day, which I've just never put away. And then there is the loft hatch into the loft as well. If we go through this door, this opens up into the main living space. So for privacy reasons, I'm now standing where the windows are. So you came through this door here. This door here just goes into the airing cupboard, which holds the hot water tank. It's not got gas central heating in this place, it's got electric heating. And yep, I just put a mirror on, which is from the range, and there's some storage underneath there. So I'll just do a quick overview. You can see the kitchen over there, bedroom over there, and we're currently in the living area. Starting off as you come in, I have got this rail here, which was from Argos, which has just got, I haven't really sorted it all out yet, but there's coats and just other bits on there at the moment. I did want it to all be all coats, but in the built-in wardrobe, which is very handy, which is here, half of it has got a double rail, the other half has got a single rail, and not going in there at the moment, but we can do a closet tour if you like. Half of it has got a double rail and a single rail with just shirts and trousers and then coats on the other side. This rail thing, which actually holds shoes at the bottom here, was from Argos. I've then got my little dining area, which is a bit messy because that is just where I throw some like post and stuff. That table and chairs was from Habitat, and I have just put a rug on it, not a rug, a throw on it, because it does get cold in the mornings. This shell sign was a gift at Christmas. I think it was this one just gone. I do want to put it on the wall. I have tried putting it on the wall with command strips. didn't work, so it just lives there for now. Let's move on. So this is the dining area, and we move over to the bed quarter. So this is the bedroom. We've got an IKEA Kallax unit there. The boxes underneath obviously can't get to, but storage is a premium in this place because it's a studio. So I've done a little gallery wall up there, which was really simple. All of the frames, bar one of them, are from IKEA. One of the others is from Poundland, and I just stuck them up there with command strips. The bed frame is from IKEA. The bedside table frame is from IKEA. Duvet is from a random shop in Aberystwyth. Like the throw is from IKEA. So yeah, I just store clothes in there, which really works really well. And there's a lot of under the bed storage as well. So if I come round here, you can kind of see there's 2 of these white boxes. So there's 4 in total because there's a centre pillar in the middle, and then I've done kind of a nifty storage thing in the middle as well. So that's the bedroom area. And then moving on to the lounge area. So this is the lounge. Don't mind these bits here, they need to go. But yeah, so I've got a sofa, which if I let's come round here. Sofa is from, move back a bit, sofa is from Argos. It was good price for a sofa. And then there's the throws and stuff are from different places like B&M, and then we have like IKEA, etc. The rug is from Dunelm. Really like the rug. There we go. It's just an old map of London. The thing that I'm using for a coffee table is my grandma's old trunk. So you can't get that anymore, but I know places like Home Sense and things do trunks. Tray is from Dunelm with just some bits on, and then I've just got some coffee table books. This is really good for storage as well. That's just like a seat as well. So that's an extra seat in the living area, and there is actually quite a lot of space, to be honest. That was from Dunelm. Then I've got an old suitcase as well, which was my grandma's, so can't have that. And then we have the TV, which is there, which is just a sharp telly, and then the TV unit is, where was that from? B&M, which is like, it was £50, so really good, and I really like that style. Moving from here, you can see there is quite a bit of space in the floor area to move around, so it's not cramped. And we're going to move on into the kitchen. So this is an overview of the kitchen area. So I have got some washing up I need to do, so don't worry about that. But so it's just basic kitchen. We've got sink, obviously. We've got the cooker and the hobs. Some storage, bananas, the fridge freezer, which all the white goods were included in this. So that was included. My Siemens washing machine dryer was included, and also the fridge freezer was included. I am thinking about getting a new fridge freezer because the freezer section is very small for what it is, and I'd like a bigger one. And as you can see, there is quite a lot of room, especially on the sides as well. I have got storage stuff there, but you could go a little bit bigger, but there is storage there for doing that. And then I've got a bin, like a step stool, my laundry stuff, and then this little cart thing, which was from IKEA, and then that's where I put my bags. And then moving over here, I've just got my Hoover there, which was from B&M for like £29, and then you can see the little kitchen, dining area where I eat, and then onto the lounge area, and then the bedroom. So yeah, that was my tour of my I wouldn't say it's very small, to be honest. I feel like it's quite a large studio, and it's got everything I need. I really don't need a bigger space. Just looking at it now, there's quite a lot of room. This kitchen is big this is like some like 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom houses don't have a kitchen as big as this space. And especially for a flat, there's lots of room to manoeuvre, as you can see. So yeah, I feel I've settled in now. I feel very content. I don't feel like like in the future, of course, I'd love a bigger place, but right now, it's fine. And getting that step onto the property ladder as well. So yeah, hope you guys are all well. Hope you enjoyed this quick tour. If you want to know where anything is, because basically everything is new, if not things I had already. So if you do want to know where something is, just ask me in the comments below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.